Hey, what's up, guys? This is what I came up with on the 81. I couldn't decide on the rim, so I put the motomag 3 on the front and left the spoke in the back. I ended up putting these SC chain tensioners. Then there's the new brake pads. And it was missing a couple of decals, so I put those and the ones on the front fork. And that's it. I think this one's pretty much complete. I like the way it looks with the two different wheels, so I'll probably keep it like that. Let me know what y'all think in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe.